Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. So first of all, go ahead and access our Shopee on your browser, designated browser, and then from over there, sign in as well. Then simply go to the voucher section. So from here, simply switch to voucher special over here on top. As soon as you have done that, you will find this kind of interface where you can see we're in the voucher section and we have plenty of vouchers to be used. Now for you to simply use your promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee, you simply have to tap on the available voucher to be used, and if it's you not being able to, then that means that you might have violated the terms and condition or you haven't agreed upon it. So simply tap on use beside the voucher that you would like to use, and then from another browser that it will redirect you to simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on terms and conditions. Simply agree to terms and conditions. You scroll down to the bottom tab when I agree, and there you go. You will be agreed to the terms and condition, and you will have no problem from your promotions to be redeemed in Shopify. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.